Hello everyone! There is a common error that some people may find. The issue is that your Java virtual machine is outdated and version 11 or higher is required. However, there is a simple fix to this issue. You will need to locate your Eclipse installation folder. You can then edit the eclipse.ini file. It configures the startup of Eclipse. You need to add 2 lines of code at the start of the file. You need to specify the location of your JDK installation and find the java.w.exe file. You type -vm and then press enter for the second line. You write your JDK installation and direct Eclipse to use the java.w.exe file. Save the file and reopen Eclipse. The issue is fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel with notifications. That way, you will never miss out on our latest videos.